Alright, so let's see what we got going on today here. So, as I mentioned before, I need to make 2 more of these for the other side. And I got the stuff I needed for it. It says it right here. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna put them on the jig, this jig right here. And then we're gonna cut the tubes, weld it up, and pretty much finish up all these arms on the rear suspension, because I did get the shocks I was waiting on. So these are going to be the rear coilovers. So the dampening is adjustable. You can also adjust the height. Spring rating is 400 pounds. So it should do the trick. Right? But that's for later on in the video. I'm gonna get this stuff done first. Alright, so let's go ahead and do some cutting now. I just happen to have this little piece of tube here, which is perfect for that piece, and then you saw me bend this guy. Now I just gotta cut it and put it right here on the jig. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so I got my pieces of tubing all cleaned up and cut to size, and now I gotta clean these guys out. They come with this grease on it to prevent it from rusting. So you gotta clean that out with some acetone, you know, rub it really good, because otherwise the weld will react to it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tack those in place and fully weld it. Alright, so I got these things here cooling down on the fan. If you see me on the video, I was doing a little piece at a time, and then while I was doing one, for example, when I was doing this one, I was having this one here getting cooled off. The reason being is if you try to do the whole thing, you will penetrate a lot into the threads, and since it gets really hot, it will disturb, and the this piece will never thread inside ever again. So in order to not damage that, you have to go little by little and let it cool down and so on. So next up, I got this piece right here that I'm missing on my control arm. See, I don't have it right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and weld that up now. And just like that, we got 2 sets of camber arms and upper links. So now what I'm gonna do, now that I tried them all and they'll thread in just fine, gotta take them apart again and give them a coat of primer so they don't rust anymore. Same thing for these guys. They're starting to rust already. See it right there around the welds. Focus, there you go. Right here too. Yeah, this stuff rusts real quick, especially since it's been sitting for like a month. So there's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it some primer and probably get going on the next project. So the next project is gonna be this. So this is all my aluminum, and I'm gonna make a fuel tank. So this fuel tank is gonna be a lot lighter than the stock one, and it's also gonna be less gallons. So that one's gonna be a 7-gallon tank. I believe the stock one is 12 or 15, something like that. So just in gallons alone, we're gonna have some weight savings, and then the tank itself, that metal tank is pretty heavy. So once we're done with it, we'll compare the weight, and then we'll see the real gain then. But I don't think I need more than 7 gallons, especially if this is only gonna be a race car. So quarter mile doesn't consume that much fuel anyway. So that's the plan. Alright, so I got the arms all primer up and assembled, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, so they came out amazing. I'm really happy with it. So next thing is to go ahead and install it. on the subframe and see what that looks like. Alrighty guys, here's this beautiful thing. By the way, that's a white line soy bar that I just installed there. Looking great. So that is gonna wrap up this video, guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching and subscribe.